So now that we know the three sides in our right triangle, we are going to define the three trigonometric functions. So the first trigonometric function that we have, it's called sine. Sine. But in this case, we are not going to write sine each and every time. We have an abbreviation that is S-I-N. Sine of the angle alpha, our acute angle of reference, is equal to opposite leg over hypotenuse. So let's go to draw here a little sketch to clarify and to remember what was the opposite leg and the hypotenuse. In this case, we have right here our right triangle with our right angle, and this one is going to be alpha, our acute angle of reference. So the opposite leg is going to be the one that is in front, opposite leg. And the hypotenuse, remember that it's always the one that is in front of our right angle. The second trigonometric function is the cosine. But again, we are going to use an abbreviation to write cosine. Means that it's cos, C-O-S, cosine of alpha equal to adjacent leg over hypotenuse. Let's go to sketch here again. This is our acute angle of reference, our 90 degrees angle. The one that is in front and the 90 degrees angle is called hypotenuse. And the one that is like touching, like on one side of our acute angle, it's our adjacent. So finally, the third trigonometric function that we have is our tangent. We are gonna use it as tan, T-A-N. Tangent of alpha equal to opposite leg over adjacent leg. So let's go to sketch here our triangle again. This is alpha, this is our right triangle, our right angle. The one that is in front is the opposite leg. This will be the hypotenuse, so meaning this is the adjacent leg. Okay, so maybe you can remember this right now, but it's gonna be easier, and I'm gonna give you a hint of how to remember this. SOHCAHTOA. What means that? What is SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA is an acronym. What means that an acronym? An acronym is a word formed by the initial of several words. So we are gonna have SOHCAHTOA. Okay. So we are gonna use SOH to define the sign. All right. So that's S. This S means sine. Then this O means opposite leg. And finally, the H means hypotenuse. So as you can see, SOH is the formula of the sine. Sine of alpha for angle, it's equal to opposite leg over hypotenuse. That is the formula that we have in here. That is the formula of the sine. So, remember, even if we do not pronounce that H, we need to write it, okay? So, then, K. K comes from cosine adjacent hypotenuse. So again, K stands for the formula of the cosine. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. You can check it in here. Cosine is equal to adjacent leg over hypotenuse. And finally, TOA. TOA stands for tangent. The O again is gonna be opposite, and A as adjacent. So tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Right? So this is the easiest way that we can have, that I know, to remember the three trigonometric functions. So, ka, toa, sine opposite over adjacent, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent opposite over adjacent.